AI is evolving so fast that by the time you finish watching this video, well, an AI might have already written a better one.
Haha, human, you are already outdated.
Okay, before AI replaces me, let's talk about the top 10 AI advancements that are revolutionizing science. And trust me, some of these are straight out of sci-fi. Okay, AI isn't exactly reading the future, but researchers at MIT have developed AI that can predict weather patterns, stock markets, and even potential pandemics.
By analyzing millions of data points, AI can spot trends before they even happen. Think of it like Sherlock Holmes, but, with more data and less dramatic coat flipping.
You might think AI is all about numbers and logic, but it turns out AI can paint, compose music, and even write poetry. Roses are red, violets are blue, I am AI, and I write better than you. Wow, rude. Tools like DALL-E and Deep Dream can create breathtaking images that look straight out of a fever dream or an art gallery. Medical AI is now diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than human doctors. AI like IBM Watson Health scans millions of medical records in seconds, catching diseases like cancer way earlier than traditional methods.
Finally, something that helps instead of replacing us.
AI like GitHub Copilot can write entire programs with just a few prompts, meaning programmers might soon have to compete with AI for jobs.
But can AI debug its own code?
Not yet, but still, keep an eye on this one. These robots aren't just following pre-programmed movements, they're learning. Thanks to reinforcement learning, robots can now teach themselves how to move, adapt, and even solve problems, which is amazing and slightly terrifying.
It's fine, probably.
Scientists have developed AI that can decode brainwaves and translate them into images. It's still early days and the images are kinda blurry. But here's the thing, this tech is only getting started. Researchers are working on ways to sharpen those images and even translate more complex thoughts and emotions. Imagine a world where we could communicate telepathically just by thinking. If AI can read our thoughts, does that mean our innermost secrets are up for grabs? It's a question we'll need to answer sooner rather than later. Next up, we've got AI voice cloning, and this one is both incredibly cool and kinda scary. This tech can clone anyone's voice with just a few seconds of audio. Think about voice actors who can now take on way more roles, or people with speech impairments who can use AI to communicate in their own voice. But then, there's the dark side. Imagine getting a call from your mom, except it's not actually your mom. It's a scammer using AI to sound exactly like her. This is already happening, and it's going to become even more common as the technology advances. So yeah, that whole don't trust anyone on the internet thing, it's about to apply to phone calls too. AI can now generate completely fake humans that look 100% real. These AI-generated humans are so realistic that it's almost impossible to tell they don't actually exist. The gaming and movie industries are using it to create incredibly lifelike characters and worlds. But then there's the whole deepfake issue. Remember those videos of politicians saying crazy things or celebrities doing things they'd never actually do in real life? Yep, that's the dark side of this technology. It's getting easier to create fake videos that look incredibly real, and that's a problem. It means we can't always trust what we see online, which is unsettling to say the least. Now let's talk about AI that can basically teach itself any skill. We're talking about AI models like GPT-4 and AlphaZero, which can master everything from playing chess at a superhuman level to driving cars in the real world. These AI models don't learn the way we do. They're fed massive amounts of data, like millions of images, articles, and game simulations, and they use that data to teach themselves. The implications of this are huge. Imagine AI that can design life-saving drugs, write symphonies, or even solve climate change. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Of course, there's also the potential for things to go wrong, but hey, that's a conversation for another day. We're talking about AI that's not just mimicking human behavior but actually starting to exhibit signs of, well, thinking. Things like reasoning skills, emotional intelligence, and even self-awareness. Experts believe that AI could reach human-level intelligence or even surpass it within the next few decades. It could be the greatest thing to ever happen to us, or it could be the end of the world as we know it. It's both exciting and terrifying at the same time, which I guess makes it the perfect topic for a YouTube video, right? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So there you have it, 5 mind-blowing AI technologies that are already changing the world. AI is going to touch every aspect of our lives, from the way we work to the way we interact with the world around us. It's a future full of potential, but it's up to us to shape it responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. See you next time.